Hello YouTube and welcome to another tutorial. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on how to hide and unhide the taskbar, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can move it to the left. If you're like me, I got my Windows 11 and it came with the taskbar at the center. So let's jump right into it. So what you want to do first is right click on the taskbar settings, and then you want to scroll down to you see this taskbar behaviors, expand it, and over here you see it's defaulted to, the alignment is defaulted to center, so you'd click left and that should move it to the left. You see our taskbar is right here to the left now. I'm not sure whether you can see it in the video, but it has moved to the left. And then yeah, so that's really how you move it to the left, just like it used to be in Windows 10. And how do you hide it? Sometimes you're working on a couple of things and you want your taskbar to be hidden. So just do the same process. You right click on the taskbar, then do taskbar settings, and then you scroll down again to the taskbar behaviors, and then on these behaviors you want to click automatically hide the taskbar, and let's test it. The taskbar is now hidden. As you can see, it's completely hidden. And this other ways you can actually if you wanted your taskbar to go to the top, there's a way you can do it through registry. I'm gonna be making another video on how to put your taskbar to the top.